What's up, guys? Welcome to the Motor Marvin's YouTube channel today. I got a really nice Scooty for you that I got a good deal on. It's a Suzuki Let's 5 that is in pretty rough condition, but is fixable. This Scooty has a 4-stroke 50cc fuel-injected engine. It has a really nice speedometer that shows the basic reading like the speed and fuel. But one thing unique is that it has an alarm system to prevent it from being stolen. It has high and low beam light, indicators and horn, along with the electric start. Here's the ignition switch with pretty nice looking key. It has a pretty scuffed up and faded trim which I can restore easily. Overall, it has a clean look, but the wrap job is terrible. The right side indicator is broken. The Scooty has tubeless tires, telescopic suspension, and drum brakes. Here's the left side of the engine that has an airbox along with the kickstart below it. The Scooty has a lot of damage, like right here, this piece is broken. Not only that, but the exhaust is also broken along with the frame. There's a really funny number plate on the back. Let's open the trunk that's below the seat. Here's the fuel tank. The trunk is really dirty, but has a lot of space for storing a helmet. Let's turn it on. It cranks over but doesn't want to start. First, let's look in the battery compartment. Let's look at the fuse. I think we have found the problem. There should be a fuse in place of the copper wire. We'll install a new fuse and try again. Let's use the Kickstarter and check for compression. It seems good, let's try again. Sounds like the Scooty wants to start, but the battery seems to be weak though, as you can hear. Let's try to start it with the Kickstarter. It started, guys. I wasn't expecting it to be such a simple problem, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in our next video. Big things are coming up. Bye.